Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to convert your PDF file to JPEG in PDF XChange Editor. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we first need to do is go ahead and click on the File tool here. Now we need to find the Export tab on the left hand side, so click onto Export. Now, to the right of that, we've got export. So we've got a few different options. We can go ahead and export this PDF to an image or images. Now, once you do that, it's going to give you a preview here. So export to images. So we can select pages or current custom. I've only got one page here. And then under that, save file type. So at the moment, it's on TIFF, but we want to change that to JPEG. So look for JPEG. We've got PNG and we got JPEG. So make sure you've chosen JPEG. Now we can change this file name if we like, and then from here we can also have the page zoom. We can play around a bit more settings, but basically you just want to go ahead and click on OK, and that's going to export it as a JPEG, and it's inside my files here. So here it is here as a JPEG file. So if I go ahead and open this up, you can see this has been exported as a JPEG.